Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about if your Monopoly Go app is not working. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So if your Monopoly Go is not working, here are some known issues that I will discuss with you guys that are known in Monopoly Go, which are fixable in their website. So known issues are such as that the list will be updated regularly, and issues will be added and removed as soon as they're discovered and resolved, as referred in the website right here. So many reported issues will be resolved quickly. So live issues such as most players who are currently experiencing some issues getting back into the game, and that they're working on it right now. So there's also players that are encountering issues with the rewards for completing the wildlife album for the second time, and now they're just trying to fix it too. And there's also the sticker name swap for flipping couple and pickpocket stickers. Names in the set 20 were swapped, so they're trying to fix that too. So if there are known issues, you can just head on to their website and you can email them about them, and they'll get right into it very quickly, since the Monopoly team is very quick at fixing this issue. You guys have nothing to worry about. Just go to their website and report it as soon as possible. So such as updating profile picture via Facebook, they would like you to confirm an issue where the profile picture on your account will not update even if you reconnect your Facebook account to the game. So they're still investigating it as of the moment. So if you have known issues, just go onto their website and they will help it for you. And that's just about now for if your Monopoly Go app is not working properly, just head on to their website. And if you like this video, thank you for watching this video, and see you again next time.